The VeChain project is based on a dual-token economic systems model and aims to meet the needs of all users in the current and future VeChain ecosystem. In this model, VeChain designed two digital tokens to facilitate two levels of operation. They named these two tokens VET and THOR power respectively. VET functions as a value medium. In other words, the smart payment currencies aims to realize the rapid circulations of value in the VeChain blockchain ecosystems. The main function of VET is to circulate as much as possible and let all participants use it. Therefore, VeChain will see more than 70% of the total tokens to community, enterprise, and users. THOR power represents the basic cost of using the VeChain blockchain when performing certain blockchain operations such as VET transfers and executing smart contracts. The required THOR power will be consumed, 70 of which will be permanently destroyed. VET can generate the THOR power in each block linearly in times. The generation rate is 0.00432 THOR power per day on average for each VET. These models not only provide the foundations with great flexibilities, but also provide appropriate means to manage and save the cost of the VeChain SOR protocols while creating value storage and smart payment currency. These models have steadily improved the continuity, stability, and expected benefits of the project. Not only has strong partner, VeChain has also implemented many projects in a low-key manner, truly using blockchain to solve real-life problems. For example, in the fashion luxury industry, COS, luxury subsidiaries of the fashion empire H&M Group, has cooperated with VeChain to use VeChain's traceability platform MyStory to launch detailed blockchain tracing data for its user. In the automotive industry, it first signed an agreement with French car manufacturer Renault in 2017 to create a prototype of a digital car maintenance log, and then cooperated with BMW to launch an application called Verify Car, which will collect vehicle data and ensure that the data is not disturbed. In terms of blockchain government affairs, VeChain cooperated with the local government of Guiyang in China and signed a strategic cooperation agreement with the Gui'an Comprehensive Bounded Zones Management Committees to jointly build the world's first blockchain town. In the supply chain industry, VeChain signed an agreement with the Chinese tobacco industry regulator to help the latter track counterfeit cigarettes throughout the supply chain. In agriculture industry, VeChain has cooperated with the Liaoning Academy of Agricultural Science and launched a blockchain agriculture platform independently developed by VeChain to help repair consumers' lack of trust in green organic certification and enable green organic quality control and traceability. Transparency is higher. In the field of food safety, Walmart and VeChain have established a food blockchain tracking platform. By scanning the QR code on the product, customers can learn about the source of supply of the product and the geographic location received by the Walmart, the logistic time course, and the product inspection reports. The implementation of VeChain's projects in the above-mentioned areas reflects VeChain's commitment to the implementations of the blockchain concepts, as well as its vast development network and its steady pace of development. These are also the necessary characteristics for the long-term development of the project. There is a saying on VeChain's official WeChat accounts. We firmly believe that only technologies that solve practical problems can be accepted by enterprises and end users. Judging from the entire development process of VeChain, they are indeed making steady progress towards their goals. The landing of blockchain technology has allowed the advantages of blockchains to be fully utilized in many industries. In the past few years, the VeChain team has accumulated lots of experiences in various industries. The business ecosystems has begun to take shape, and the current customers has covered multiple industries. Judging from the superficial understanding of VeChain's operation plan, they should use blockchain technology to improve the transparency of the logistics supply chain, which in itself is a very broad field. The counterfeiting industry involves hundreds of billions of dollars in funds each year. The previously badly affected cases of horse meat passing off as beef and the poisoned eggs cases has put forward higher control requirements on the supply chain. In the post-epidemic era, people have become way more aware of the importance of supply chain management and control. Many governments and companies have focused their attention on the blockchain that can make the supply chains more transparent and data transmission safer. Under this circumstance, the VeChain project, which has many years of experiences in the implementation of blockchain, may be able to develop further afterwards.